Tired of groceries sliding around, tools disappearing, or your trunk looking like chaos? I tested the best trunk organizers that can instantly upgrade your storage and make every drive cleaner and easier. Before we start, check the product links in the description for prices and details. And if you love smart car accessories, subscribe to Auto Review Lab so you never miss the next upgrade. Number 1. HOTOR Trunk Organizer. Starting strong, the HOTOR Trunk Organizer is one of those simple upgrades that makes a huge difference. It offers multiple storage sections, sturdy sidewalls, and a foldable design that fits in SUVs, sedans, and trucks. I like that it keeps groceries, cleaning supplies, emergency gear, and random car essentials from turning into trunk chaos. The reinforced handles also make it easy to lift in and out when needed. If you want something practical without spending premium money, this one delivers solid value. It feels sturdy, easy to set up, and surprisingly spacious. For drivers who hate clutter but love convenience, this organizer checks a lot of boxes. Number 2. FORTEM Trunk Organizer. The FORTEM Trunk Organizer is built for drivers who want organization without constant sliding and shifting. One thing I appreciate here is the included securing straps that help keep everything in place during sharp turns or sudden braking. It offers roomy compartments, sturdy construction, and a collapsible layout for extra cargo space. Whether you're carrying groceries, work gear, sports equipment, or roadside tools, this organizer handles daily use really well. The material feels durable, and the pockets add useful extra storage. If your trunk usually turns messy after one shopping trip, this is a strong solution that keeps your vehicle looking much more controlled and organized. Number 3. Oasser Heavy Duty Organizer. If durability matters most, the Oasser Heavy Duty Organizer deserves attention. This one leans into a tougher build, with reinforced panels, large compartments, and a more rugged overall feel. I especially like the reflective strips, which can actually help with visibility during nighttime roadside situations. That's a small detail that makes practical sense. It works well for tools, car accessories, groceries, camping gear, and emergency kits. The foldable structure keeps it flexible, but it still feels solid when fully loaded. Now here's something different. This organizer doesn't just organize clutter, it feels designed for drivers who genuinely use their trunk hard. Number 4. Knodel Premium Organizer. The Knodel Premium Organizer adds a more refined touch to trunk storage. One standout feature is the insulated compartment, which is incredibly useful for groceries, drinks, or food during longer trips. Beyond that, you get sturdy compartments, durable materials, and a collapsible design that's easy to store away. I like that it balances style and functionality without becoming overly bulky. If you're someone who does road trips, grocery runs, or family travel, this organizer can make daily driving feel noticeably more organized. It looks clean, performs well, and offers that extra versatility many basic organizers simply don't provide. Number 5. TrunkCratePro Organizer. The TrunkCratePro Organizer is all about capacity. If your trunk regularly carries sports gear, tools, shopping bags, cleaning supplies, or travel essentials, this thing gives you serious room to work with. The compartments are spacious, the build feels reinforced, and the collapsible design adds flexibility when you don't need maximum storage. I like that it adapts well to different vehicle sizes without feeling awkward or oversized. It's one of those organizers that can genuinely reduce stress by giving every item its own place. For busy drivers or families constantly moving things around, this is a very practical storage upgrade. Number 6. SURDOCA Mesh Trunk Bag. Now here's something different. The SURDOCA Mesh Trunk Bag takes a lighter approach to storage. Instead of bulky compartments, you get elastic mesh organization that helps secure loose items against your trunk wall. It's ideal for groceries, cleaning supplies, small tools, cables, or emergency accessories that usually slide everywhere. Installation is simple, and it doesn't consume valuable trunk space like larger bins sometimes do. I really like this option for smaller vehicles or drivers who want quick access without a heavy organizer taking over the trunk. Minimal design, useful functionality, and surprisingly convenient for everyday use. Number 7. Miyoo Color Trunk Organizer. The Miyoo Color Trunk Organizer delivers a nice balance of storage space, portability, and everyday usability. The foldable design makes setup simple, while the non-slip base helps reduce unwanted movement during driving. That detail alone makes a noticeable difference. You get roomy compartments for groceries, emergency kits, car tools, and travel essentials without making your trunk feel crowded. The build feels practical for regular use, and carrying handles make transport easier. If you want an organizer that feels reliable without getting overly complicated, this is a smart pick. Clean layout, good storage, and easy daily convenience. Number 8. Amazon Basics Organizer. Sometimes simple is exactly what you need, and that's where the Amazon Basics Organizer fits in. It offers multi-compartment storage, foldable convenience, and a no-nonsense design focused on everyday practicality. I like this one for drivers who just want cleaner storage without researching endless features. Groceries, tools, sports gear, roadside supplies, it handles the basics well. The compartments help separate items, while the compact structure keeps things manageable. It's straightforward, affordable, and easy to use. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly trunk organizer that gets the job done without overcomplicating things, this is a solid choice. Number 9. Drop-Stop Seat Gap Filler. The Drop-Stop Seat Gap Filler isn't a trunk organizer in the traditional sense, but it solves one of the most annoying car problems. You know that tiny gap between your seat and the center console, where phones, keys, cards, and coins mysteriously disappear? This fixes that instantly. It slides into place and creates a barrier that keeps your essentials within reach. I like that it's simple, practical, and requires almost zero setup. For daily drivers, small upgrades like this can make your car feel far more organized. No more digging under seats at stoplights or parking lots. It's one of those products you barely notice until you realize you don't want to drive without it. Number 10. Tidify Front Seat Organizer. If your front seat area constantly collects chargers, snacks, sunglasses, paperwork, and random clutter, the Tidify Front Seat Organizer can seriously help. It's designed to create dedicated storage without making your cabin feel cramped. I like the adjustable design and stabilizing support that help keep things secure while driving. It works well for commuters, rideshare drivers, road trips, and busy parents juggling multiple essentials. Instead of tossing items across the passenger seat, everything gets its own place. That alone makes your cabin feel cleaner and easier to manage. For drivers who value convenience and quick access, this organizer delivers useful everyday functionality. Number 11. KMMOTORS Side Pocket Organizer. Now here's a clever storage solution many drivers overlook. The KMMOTORS Side Pocket Organizer fits beside your seat and center console, turning wasted space into practical storage. It's perfect for phones, wallets, keys, parking cards, sunglasses, and other small essentials that normally float around your cabin. I really like how it improves accessibility without adding bulk or complicated installation. It's compact, useful, and surprisingly effective for keeping everyday items organized. If you're tired of constantly searching for small things while driving, this simple organizer can make a noticeable difference. Small product, surprisingly big convenience. Number 12. Car Cash Purse Holder. The Car Cash Purse Holder is designed for drivers who want smarter cabin organization, especially for handbags, backpacks, groceries, or personal items. Instead of letting bags slide across seats during turns and braking, this organizer creates a secure storage barrier between seats. I like that it keeps belongings protected, accessible, and off the floor. It's especially useful for commuters, travelers, parents, and anyone carrying daily essentials. Installation is quick, and it helps reduce interior clutter instantly. Sometimes organization isn't about adding more storage, it's about using existing space better. This product does exactly that. Number 13. Amooca Headrest Organizer. Traveling with kids, passengers, snacks, gadgets, or road trip supplies, the Amooca Headrest Organizer is built for exactly that situation. It attaches behind the seat and provides multiple storage areas for tablets, drinks, tissues, toys, chargers, and travel essentials. I like that it helps keep the back seat cleaner without requiring permanent installation. For families and long-distance drivers, this can be a major comfort upgrade. Instead of clutter piling up everywhere, passengers get organized storage within reach. Now here's something different. This isn't just organization, it actually helps create a calmer, less chaotic travel experience. Number 14. Drive Auto Underseat Organizer. The Drive Auto Underseat Organizer takes advantage of one storage zone many drivers completely ignore, the space under your seat. It's compact, collapsible, and surprisingly practical for storing emergency gear, paperwork, tools, cables, cleaning supplies, or small travel essentials. I like this option because it keeps valuable items hidden yet accessible when needed. That extra organization can make your vehicle feel far more functional without taking up trunk space. For smaller cars or drivers who already have packed cargo areas, this is a smart storage addition. Clean, efficient, and very easy to live with. Number 15. ULEEKA Car Trash Can Organizer. Ending with something simple but incredibly useful, the ULEEKA Car Trash Can Organizer. If wrappers, receipts, tissues, cups, or random trash tend to take over your car, this product can instantly improve cleanliness. It includes a convenient lid design and compact storage approach that fits naturally into daily driving. I like that it encourages better habits without feeling bulky or awkward inside the cabin. Whether you commute daily, travel with family, or spend hours on the road, keeping trash under control makes your vehicle feel cleaner and more comfortable. Sometimes the best organization upgrade isn't extra storage, it's finally having a proper place for the mess. Those were my picks for the best trunk organizers and smart car storage upgrades worth checking out. Let me know your favorite in the comments. Check the links in the description for today's products and subscribe for more car accessory reviews.